Hello again everyone. So for this video I am literally just going to do a very short update on why I think the Exela Technologies short squeeze is still a play, despite yesterday's negative trading day. This video is basically just going to be a quick technical analysis of the updated trading action. If you want to see the more in-depth coverage of the short squeeze potential before yesterday's session, have a look at the video I released yesterday, which I will link in this video's description. This video is just to provide a very quick technical update to show why the short squeeze is still a play and will not be going into the depth with all the shorts data, etc. that I would normally do. So let's just get into that quickly. So to start with, this screenshot captures the analysis we were working on for XELA stock yesterday. In a nutshell, before yesterday's session, any shorts trades undertaken in the grey and red squares were likely in negative positions. Furthermore, we worked out that if anyone holding onto a short position that was made in the trading window prior to Tuesday's trading session, they would also now be caught up in the short squeeze, which is represented by this yellow square. This is why the short squeeze play had swelled significantly heading into yesterday's session, and as you can see in the early trading action of yesterday, the short squeeze momentum seemed to be continuing, again in the face of negative market headwinds. However, as we can see, there was a sharp decline through the day, which did stabilise, however, in a slightly downward fashion as the trading day went on. As such, I've now drawn a new red line at yesterday's bottom point. This marks a cutoff where some short sellers could potentially have got out of their position profitably. What I will do now is adjust the boxes that capture distressed short traders accordingly. So, to me at least, only short traders that had got in on Tuesday have largely been able to get out of their positions, as well as the start of yesterday's session. The majority of the recent short trading action is still caught up in the distressed positions. This means there is still an opportunity to squeeze a significant number of outstanding short positions. I just want to reiterate, the red and grey squares will still contain most short positions that were taken up on those days of trade, but there is likely a much smaller number caught up in the yellow square. Just finally, looking at the most recent Google chart for the stock activity, we can see that there was not much change in the stock price in the aftermarket action. To me, I think there is still a very real chance of the short squeeze continue on, especially coming into Monday's June quarter results release, which has the potential to really shift general sentiment for the stock in an upward manner.
Sir, where should we send the ambulance?
Send it to the frickin' moon, idiot.
Furthermore, it is also worth keeping in mind that the only analyst covering the stock has a $4 12-month price target, which, whether you want to be long or play the short squeeze, is an exciting prospect for holders of stock in this company. I want to stress that I'm not invested in this stock. I do occasionally day trade it, but I do find the prospect of following a good short squeeze quite intriguing. Anyway, what do you guys think? Will we see a resumption of the short squeeze again this week, or will there be further capitulation from the stock? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more Exela Technologies or other stock related updates, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Also, by doing so, you are helping to support the social enterprise initiative I am aiming at transforming this channel into. The concept behind which is that by watching YouTube videos, people are helping to make a difference to some causes at no financial cost to themselves. So I encourage you to join up and be a part of that. Until next time, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.